Hello friends, today we will discuss about pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis. It is the study of genetic traits or disorder using the family tree. Various symbols are used to describe a family tree. Square for male, circle for female, and the square having sex unspecified. Square, filled square, affected male, filled circle, affected female, and sex unspecified, affected. It is the mating between two distant couples having no relation in previous 3-4 generations, and it is the mating between closely related couples. The partially filled square is for partially affected male and partially filled circle for carrier female or partially affected female. It is a pedigree family tree of a family. 1 and 2 are parents and 3, 4, 5 are children from older to younger. The genetic disorders are of 4 types. 1. Autosomal dominant. Autosomal means it occurs in either both in male as well as in female at the same time. And dominant, it affects every generation of the family. The key points of autosomal dominant disease are: don't skip generation. It means it occurs in every generation. And the second is affected parents can have unaffected children. And the second type of disease is autosomal recessive. Autosomal means affect both the sex, male and female. And recessive, it may skip the generation. It may occur in the first generation or skip the second generation. And the second is unaffected parents. The parents of the autosomal recessive disorder may be unaffected and the children will be affected. The rest of the 2 types of genetic traits are X-linked dominant and X-linked recessive. These all are also called sex-linked genetic disorders. The X-linked dominant, the key points of this disease is that disease never transfer from father to son. And another one is all daughters of affected father will be affected. And the key points of X-linked recessive disease are: males are more affected as compared to females, and disease tends to transfer from mother to son and father to daughter. And the last key point is disease never transfer from father to son. The first problem based on pedigree analysis. It is the family chart of a family in which both the parents of first generation are affected and the children of first generation of their children are daughter and a son. Both are affected and have unaffected 1 children. So according to the key points, it is the autosomal dominant disease, because the first condition of autosomal dominant disease is that it occurs in every generation. Then it occurs in this generation as well as in this generation. And the unaffected child of affected parent, and it is the unaffected child of affected parent. So that's why it is autosomal dominant. Disease. And the whole family tree is unaffected because it is unaffected parents and unaffected children. Another problem based on pedigree analysis. The family tree showing the generation up to 3 generations: parents, their children and their grandchildren. In this, disease occurs in the first generation as well as in second generation and in third generation also. But look at this. The parents of 8 and 9 number are unaffected and they have 2 unaffected children and an affected child. That means this disease is not occur in the first generation but occurs in second generation, and it means it skips generation, and the affected children are do not have their affected parents. That means it is autosomal recessive. This problem is about X-linked dominant. Now see how. Dominant, it occurs in every generation. That's why it is dominant. And all the daughters of second generation is affected due to their affected father. Okay? And the affected mother affect both daughter as well as son. And here in this case, the affected son is due to their affected mother, not from affected father. That means X-linked dominant disease are those which occurs in every generation, and all the daughters are due to their affected father, and no son is affected due to their affected father. That's why it is X-linked dominant disorder. Okay. The another and the last type of pedigree problem based on pedigree analysis is shown here, and it is a X-linked recessive genetic disorder. Here there are two different stories. This one and this one. In this case, both the parents are unaffected and their first child, male child, is affected. It means the female may be carrier. And in this case, both the parents are affected and all their children are affected. And this is a different story. In this case, unaffected parents are affected male child. That means this male child is affected from carrier female or affected female. But this disease is not shown in this generation, but shown in this generation only. That means it skips a generation. Hence, overall, this is a X-linked recessive genetic trait.